Good evening, everybody. Today we are going to organize question round. For question round, we have two students. They are Shiva and Rupal. And these are the guys who are going to ask their question to them. Today our topic is education system in Bihar. So now we are going to start our question round. So please clap for them. Now let me see that who is going to ask the first question. Please raise your hand. So Nisha wants to ask. Nisha, you can ask now.
Good evening, everybody. I am Nisha. I have a question, and my question for Rupaldi. Why discipline is less in government school of Bihar?
The less discipline in government school of Bihar, the reason behind that, the less supervision of the government. Means government appoints the teacher, principal in schools, but sometimes they don't come to check out. Sometimes they come, but sometimes they never. Sometimes they don't come to check. Teachers are coming or not, are they working in a good way or not, students are coming or not. Means we can say that they are careless in the supervision. That's why there is less discipline in the government schools of Bihar.
Good evening, everybody. Myself Anand Kumar. I have a question. My question is for Shiva. Bihar government is giving bicycles, books, and midday meal, scholarships, and dress, copy. But in spite of that, why the Bihar is backward in education system? Who is the responsible for this?
Okay, Anand, from past time to current time, the education system of Bihar is growing, but in a slow way. Because of that, the supervision of the government is not good. The government of Bihar does not check the rule regulations of the education system in their colleges, schools, and universities. Also, the teachers also not going to schools daily, and the students are not taking class properly, and so the literacy rate of government is Bihar is low in current time.
Good evening, everyone. I am Nandini Kumari. This is question for Rupal Didi. Why Bihar is not providing more for facility higher education?
Bihar government does not provide more facilities for the education system, because we have so much varieties, and we have so much options in the other states like Kota, Allahabad, and in many developed states of India. So and also the second reason is that we never demand for the colleges like medical colleges, IIT colleges in Bihar. So this is the reason that government doesn't provide us this kind of facilities for us.
Good evening, everyone. I am Zinat Fatma. I am going to ask question from Rupaldi. Why Bihar is backward in education compared than other states like Kerala, Lakshadweep, Mizoram?
The education system of Bihar is backward compared with other states like Kerala, Lakshadweep, and Mizoram. The reason behind it that the irresponsibility of the both students and the teacher. Means we can say we have seen in the present time in most of the government schools and colleges, teachers they don't come to the schools, and they never they sometimes they don't want to teach the students. And also second reason is the students also don't come to the colleges, and they are not responsible for their studies. Most of the students nowadays are preferring for the self-studies, so this is the reason behind it.
Good evening, everyone. This is Arpit Kumar, and my question for CM Bihar: why English is not compulsory in Bihar 10th board?
Okay, the English is not more compulsory in Bihar board, because the Bihar board is state of Bihar, and the Bihar language is mostly Hindi and Bhojpuri. So the government not think that the English is more necessary for the students of Bihar. So the English is not compulsory in the state of Bihar, but it should be.
Hello everyone, myself Samir, and I have question to ask for Bihar. We read Sanskrit till 10th, but why Sanskrit vanished in 12th and 11th class?
Okay, Samir. And the Sanskrit is in Bihar board for only for the class 10th and not compulsory for 11th and 12th, because that Sanskrit is a traditional language, and so that Bihar thinks that the students know their traditions, so that it is only for the 10th class. But now in current time the Sanskrit is not even speaking in any state, or not giving it the compulsory of any student. So Sanskrit is not for in 11th and 12th class.
Good evening and everyone, myself Rishabh Raj, and my question is for Rupal Didi. Why corruption is there in Bihar education, like in 10th board and in 12th board, BA and BSc exams and etc.
There is corruption in BA, BSc and other exams in Bihar. The reason behind that, the 10th board is the base of our life. Means if we get the certificate of 10th board, means we are considered that a very educated person. And every students and every government wants to make their image of their states clear. So that's why there is, I think, there is corruption in the exams, like this kind of exams, like intermediate and 10th board.
Good evening everyone, I am Priyansh Sharma. My question is for Rupal Didi. Why Bihar board is given option in Hindi medium if we know our future stand with English?
Bihar board provides Hindi languages most in our states because Hindi is easy to speak for the Bihari students, and we know that Hindi is a native language, and students are more comfortable with the Hindi languages compared to the English, and most of the students have a fear of English, mostly in Bihari states. So I think this is the reason that Hindi is more government give more preference to Hindi language.
Good evening everyone, myself Sunny Kumar, and my question is for Shivam Bhaiya. Why Bihar government doesn't provide a skills education from a schooling time?
Okay, Sunny, the Bihar government not providing the skill education for the students before the 10th class or after also the 10th class. Because in Bihar, the mostly the government, the student, the principal, or also our guardians only see the education qualification of our our matric certificate, our inter certificate. Not anyone is speaking about our skills and our art skills. So no one cares about our skill education.
Again, my question is for Shivam. Bihar education system often concern its challenges, including a lack of infrastructure, qualified teacher, and poor learning environment, which impact enrollment and quality.
Okay, Anandya, we cannot stop the talent of the person, talent of the people, because the talent of the Bihari people are more. And if any people is talented, then he can also grow himself with any mode, with the self study or any type of education that he want. He can provide from anywhere, and the people and after that the most IS and IPS officer will become mostly from Bihar, and after that they will go to the state of different cities, so that government should think about it.
My question is for Rupal Didi. In graduation, nobody go for class since a long time, and in exam, all the students write through cheating. Why nobody take action about it?
Because we know that our matriculation and intermediate is the base of our education for our life. That's why nowadays we are not focusing on the graduation certificate, and that is the reason that most of the cheatings are happening in the graduation examination. But in the place of graduation, we can also do some other professional courses like MBA, BBA, BCA, like that, which gives us a job opportunities in our future. So that is the reason that in graduation examination, most of the cheatings are happened.
Again, I have a question for Rupal Di. After how many years Bihar can improve its total education system?
Nandini, we know that our government always changed, and we can also make some hopes for the some ahead years. And we can take the example of our very revolutionary minister, that is P.K. Pathak, in previous year. He brought some changes in our education department, and so with the hope of that kind of minister, we can think that our education system in Bihar will be changed in some years.
I would also like to add some sentences about our Bihar. I want to say that our Bihar is a state where we live, we get education and do everything. Our Bihar is not backward. We are Bihari and we proud to be Bihari. I hope that our state Bihar, it will improve a lot, because we need some facilities, some determination, some improvement. And I wish to see our Bihar at number 1 position like some other states, Kerala, Lakshadweep, Mizoram, etc. So it was question round from today's class. Please clap for them once again.